Hey guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome back. Just a short video. This is now up on Etsy. Prices on Etsy had changed because I realized that they were not correct. I don't know what I did, but I punched in a wrong number. But they have changed. This is Save Christmas at Willow Creek Farm. This is now up, and I'm in the process of getting everything ready to bring book one. This is Rudy. Rudy is our Siamese cat that was dropped off at our house. And this is what Rudy's book will come with. You have Meet Rudy. He will tell you his responsibilities on the farm. And then you have Follow Rudy's paw prints. You have a rainy day fund. We have Rudy's Coffee and Cats. Rudy's loose change jar. Put in whatever you want. If you just want to save nickels for this one, that's fine. If you want to save dimes or quarters, that's awesome too. Or if you still get pennies, you can just do a little penny challenge. And then you have Rudy's Yarn Ball Challenge. It's a roll and save challenge, and this one is really cute. But this challenge itself, I'm still in the process of making the envelopes to go with it. This will probably be up Thursday. So just a quick video to say hi and meet Rudy.